Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make money with Canva. Canva is a powerful design platform that you can use to create all sorts of designs, from social media graphics to marketing materials. But did you know that you can also make money with Canva? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we'll show you 6 ways to make money with Canva. First way, freelance design work. Offering freelance design work through Canva is a great way to earn money while showcasing your design skills. You can create a variety of designs for clients such as logos, flyers, business cards, social media graphics, and much more. Canva's platform provides a wide range of design elements, which makes designing much easier and faster. Finding clients for your freelance design work can be done through a few different channels. One way is to sign up for freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com. These platforms are a great way to get started as a freelancer because they provide access to a large number of clients who are actively seeking freelance designers. Another way to find clients is through social media. You can create a portfolio of your work and share it on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. This is a great way to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. You can also join groups or communities related to your niche and share your portfolio there. Lastly, you can leverage your personal network to find clients. Let your friends, family, and colleagues know that you offer freelance design services. You never know who might need your services or know someone who does. As a freelance designer, you can charge by the project or hourly. Make sure to communicate your rates clearly with clients before starting any work. You should also establish a clear scope of work and timeline to avoid any miscommunication or delays. Second way, selling designs on Canva Marketplace. The Canva Marketplace is a platform that allows Canva users to sell their designs to other users. It's a great way to earn passive income as you can upload your designs and earn money when someone purchases them. Canva takes a percentage of each sale, but the rest goes directly to the designer. To get started on the Canva Marketplace, you need to create a designer profile and upload your designs. The platform offers various design categories, including logos, templates, social media graphics, print designs, and much more. Make sure to choose the right category for your design to make it easier for users to find your work. When creating designs for the Canva Marketplace, you should keep in mind that users are looking for high-quality and unique designs. Take the time to research what's currently trending and create designs that are both visually appealing and functional. You can also offer customization options for your designs to increase their value. Once your designs are uploaded to the Canva Marketplace, you can promote them on your website, social media channels, or through paid advertising to reach a wider audience. You can also use Canva's built-in analytics to track the performance of your designs and make adjustments to improve sales. When it comes to pricing, you have the flexibility to set your own prices for your designs. However, it's important to consider the competition and the value of your design when setting your prices. Third way, affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or social media following, you can become an affiliate for Canva and earn money by promoting their platform and getting people to sign up for paid accounts. You can create tutorials or review videos that showcase the power of Canva and how it can help businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. When people sign up for Canva through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Fourth way, teaching Canva. Teaching Canva can be another lucrative way to make money. You can offer online courses or tutorials on how to use Canva effectively, and charge for access to your content. You can use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to host your course. You can also create your website to offer your services. Fifth way, creating templates. Creating templates is another way to make money with Canva. You can create custom templates for Canva users to purchase and use for their own design projects. This can be a lucrative way to make money as it only requires a one-time effort to create the template. Templates are perfect for businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs who need to create designs quickly and efficiently. Sixth way, brand partnerships. If you have a large following on social media or your website, you can partner with brands and create sponsored content using Canva designs. This can include creating branded social media graphics, flyers, and other marketing materials. Brand partnerships can help you earn money and promote your own brand as well. Conclusion: those were 6 ways to make money with Canva. Canva is a powerful design platform that can help you make money while doing something you love. Whether you offer freelance design work, sell designs on Canva Marketplace, become an affiliate for Canva, teach Canva, create templates, or partner with brands, Canva can be a source of income for you. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.